Oh, come on. Oh!
Today, I'm in Nguyen's hometown of Vung in search of a tasty treat. But first, she has a little surprise for me.
Wow, that is a big Jesus.
Like the biggest one.
Biggest one in
Vietnam.
In Vietnam?
Yeah.
Come on down to Vung Tau.
Yeah.
We've got great food and giant Jesus. Dear giant Jesus, will you please bless our meal we're about to eat? It is a hot pot and it has a stingray in it. I hope that it will taste good and the hot pot will be the most hot pot that has ever been potted. Thanks, giant Jesus.
Bye.
I think these are called mantis shrimp. They punch little creatures with their face.
They can attack you. Yeah.
They hit hard, right?
Yeah.
Can it hurt a person?
They can hurt your finger.
Okay, let's go look for something else.
Over there, stingray.
What? This thing is huge. So I'm more of like a popcorn shrimp kind of guy when it comes to seafood. They're gonna put this in a hot pot?
Yeah, we're gonna slide it.
They just cut it into pieces?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Oh, it makes such a slimy sound. It's so slimy.
The tail, they cut it up already.
Yeah.
It can hurt you.
That's how Steve Irwin, rest in peace, he was taken down by a stingray, and in his honor today, I will eat one of these motherfuckers. You understand? I would guess since this is a hot pot, they're just gonna kind of chunk it up and throw it into a pot. Oh, I hope we get some face meat in our hot pot. This place is famous for their stingray hot pot.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow, and you can tell with the way she handles the stingray, it's not her first time. For me, at least, when I see a giant stingray just sitting there in the sun at the fish market, I'm not like, I should eat that. I think that should be in a museum about fish. But I think if you chop it into tiny pieces, you could chop almost any animal into tiny pieces, put it in a hot pot, and I'll eat it.
That's a good idea.
Let's leave her to be kind of alone with the fish. I don't want to, I feel like we're ruining her special moment. So she can keep doing that, and let's go to the restaurant part,
Okay,
yeah?
sure.
When you revealed this, when you took the lid off, I didn't think it was gonna look good. And it looks, not only does it look lovely, it smells great. It smells really good. So we've got our beer, and I use the straw. Do you use the straw?
Yeah, cheers.
Because I want to feel like a kid, but I want to feel like a drunk kid, mainly. So we have rice noodles here, bean sprouts, banana flour,
Yeah.
mint, morning glory, and rice cracker.
Yeah.
And then we also have fish sauce with chilies in it here, along with a delicious cold beer and our huge hot pot. Where do we begin?
If you want to eat vegetable, you can dip it inside a broth. I choose a little young banana flour,
Young banana flour.
morning glory, little.
Is this a messy meal?
Yeah, messy.
Okay, cool.
I love
Okay with that.
vegetable, so I eat a lot.
Okay, cool. You eat
And-
a lot of the vegetables. I'll eat
Yeah.
more meat.
While waiting for it ready, you can eat the fish and
Okay.
the broth first.
This is a nice, big, fat piece of stingray. I'm not that worried about the vegetables. I'll get to it later, but I've had vegetables before. They're not that great. No, I'm just kidding. But I'm all about this stingray right now and kind of figuring it out. I'm trying to really pull off a nice, big hunk of meat. Well, see, this is what I love about trying new things, because just looking at this creature, look, it looks intimidating, especially from a Westerner's point of view. But the way they prepared it, it's not fishy at all. It doesn't have any kind of strong seafood, fishy odor. It tastes very clean. It's soft. It
Yeah,
tastes
very
like a
fresh.
nice, delicate white fish with this super aromatic, savory broth. It's outstanding. I really thought this was going to be the first episode where I have to go, okay, I'm just going to pretend to like this, and I'm going to get through it. But instead it's really good. It's another like interactive meal. So you have a bunch of people around the hot pot. You're all drinking. You're adding in different ingredients. You're pulling out different ingredients. Will you keep this pot full for like 2 hours or 1 hour?
It will take me like 1 or 2 hours to finish that.
Thank you so much for introducing this to me. I say let's throw in a bunch more veggies. Well, let's throw in a few more veggies. Let's get going on this. And for you guys, if you are interested in this kind of Vietnam foodie experience, please hit up One Trip. They are the ones who made this video possible. They're putting on an amazing food tour in Saigon and in Hoi An. Links for that are in the info box down below. I'll see you next week. A peace.